Welcome back to another bag video with Carryology, where we help you explore better ways to carry. My name is Dave Sam, Carryology gear reporter and gear junkie. Today I have the pleasure of introducing the 5 finalists for the Carry Awards for the category of travel clothing. For travel clothing, we've searched for articles of clothing that make your travel life easier and enable you to transition from home to wherever as easily as possible. This is a wide open category and we're pretty much running the gamut of clothing here, so strap in. Let's get started with tops. First up, we have the Metashell from Western Rise. The Metashell is a soft shell rain jacket with one incredibly unique feature. It not only packs into itself, but it packs into itself and has an included strap or a stowaway strap that makes this or turns this into a sling when you pack it away. The Metashell was created with a pretty typical Western Rise philosophy. Take something that you use every day, simplify it as much as possible, and then add in features to make it as capable as possible in a myriad of situations. This thing will keep you extremely dry. Also has nice waterproof YKK water guard zipper. Really, really nice. Almost designed with that kind of fundamental streetwear design, but then taken up a notch to be that super waterproof jacket. I am about 6 feet tall, about 195 to 200 pounds. All right, so who is the Metashell for? It is definitely for the traveler who knows they're gonna be in mixed conditions, especially somebody who maybe doesn't have the ability to bring 2 full bags with them, and they still want to have something small that they can take with them for like that daily carry use case. The other person that this is perfect for is that city urban commuter, somebody who's walking, taking the bus, who just needs a kind of nice urban city styled soft shell. From a strength perspective, between its custom 3-layer Metashell fabric, the number of pockets that it has, on most of my other rain jackets I maybe have 1 or 2 pockets max. This has about 5 pockets in it. And then as well, of course, it is dual purpose. It folds directly into itself. It becomes a beautiful sling. Huge front zippered pocket that you can really take advantage of the entire front portion here. So tons of carrying options. Next up, we have the Midweight Tech Hoodie from 10,000. This is a mid-layer multi-purpose hoodie, and it's absolutely packed with features that make it ideal for when you're working out, but ultimately it still maintains that ultra sleek and really nice aesthetic for when you're just walking around or out in the city. This midweight hoodie is made out of proprietary materials that make it incredibly soft and lightweight for the amount of versatility that it offers. It has silver ion treatment to reduce odors, and then it has a 3M treatment to prevent stains from forming. All right, this is what the midweight tech hoodie looks like on me. Again, I'm about 6 feet tall, 195 or so, and I wear this mostly in the city. I'll occasionally wear it to work out, but I really like the sleek silhouette of it overall, and the way that it looks as it's draping on me. So I'll wear this to work, I'll wear this out around on a just regular Saturday or something like that, going to see friends. Wouldn't necessarily call it restaurant wear, but overall, really, really nice, sleek, urban aesthetic. All right, so who is the Midweight Tech Hoodie for? It's definitely for those travelers, those business travelers, or just regular travelers who are looking to accomplish workouts while they're on the road. So at your hotel, maybe you want to go for a run, whatever that thing is, this is a fantastic hoodie for you to bring along. Packs pretty small, really, really nice, warm, but still breathable. The other person that this is for is maybe anybody who's in that more casual work environment, or again, maybe just somebody who doesn't go to a standard work environment, has the ability to really be up and around their city. This is the perfect kind of everyday hoodie for you. Overall, strengths of the hoodie, it has this awesome pocketing system, so it has the standard kind of front kangaroo pouch or whatever you want to call it of the standard hoodie. And then it also has 2, I would say, pretty tiny zippered pockets just outside that. Zippers are super easy to access, but this is made for those knickknacks that you're gonna have when you're working out, like, you know, your headphones case or something like that, that you wanna keep on you, but you know, you don't wanna necessarily throw in your pockets. Secondarily, strength is this proprietary material here. It is just incredibly soft overall. And again, like I said, it packs pretty light for how incredibly warm it is. It's an awesome material overall. Like I mentioned earlier, it's odor resistant, it's stain resistant. It really does have quite a few strengths as that one do-it-all travel sweater, or potentially maybe a plethora of these as your everyday sweater. Next up, we have another entry from Western Rise, the Evolution Chino. And this is, again, a play on a standard classic, the Chino, with that Western Rise spin. This is made from a custom Western Rise fabric called the Evolution fabric, which is a combination of nylon and elastane. And then it is air texturized to feel like cotton. And then it's also cut into the form of a chino. The overall stretch and comfort of these pants combined with their lightweight material and packability make these an awesome pant to own and to travel with. All right, so who does the Evolution Chino suit? It is for that traveler who are looking for that pant that they can either dress up or dress down, depending on the situation they find themselves in, or because, again, of its packability, maybe that person who wants to bring more than one pair of pants with them when they're traveling, super packable so that you can do that. And then also people who live in warm weather climates. Part of the reason these are so packable is because they are fairly thin. I live in Chicago here. These are not my winter pants, but in the summer, I find myself wearing pants like this literally every day. Some of the strengths of the Evolution Chino that might make you want to buy them or vote for them is that they are super lightweight and packable, go to about the size of a t-shirt here. Additionally, they offer superior strength and comfort because of that elastane material along with that nylon. And then finally, they offer better stain resistance than most pants I've seen. Next up, we have the Signal LT pant from Mission Workshop, which is a lightweight version of their classic technical pant. Instead of their typical 520DE nylon that they use on the regular Signal pant, they used a 518C tweave, which is significantly lighter overall and offers that ability for extra packability for this pant. It's roughly 35% lighter than the regular Signal pant. This lightweight pant is highly breathable, packs super light, and is great for when you're on the move. Packs down super tiny overall. Again, less than the size of a water bottle, even a small water bottle. Like I have 18-ounce water bottles that are bigger than this. These pants are incredibly light. These are the most packable and lightweight pants that I have personally ever gotten to touch. All right, so who are the Signal LT pants for? They're gonna be for that traveler. As always, they're gonna be for that traveler who is seeking that super lightweight technical pant, who's gonna be in mixed weather and likely going to be doing things that require some sort of heavy duty movement. I'm thinking of folks who are gonna be in somewhat mixed weather that is potentially hard going. So, you know, you're transitioning from the city maybe to a long hike, maybe back to, you know, camping at night or something like that. Ultimately, these are going to be that lightweight pant that take up very little room in your pack and provide you that extra pant or that extra technical bit of gear. Additionally, I would say anybody who's looking for more than one pair of pants to bring with them on a trip, especially given, again, its lightweight nature, you can bring 2 or 3 pairs of these and be good for weeks, if not months at a time. Some of the strengths of the Signal LT pant, these are, again, super lightweight, but ultimately they are almost indestructible. They are super durable as well because of that nylon twill that they use. So these are really hard going pants for that hard-going individual. Additionally, for a technical pant in particular, they have excellent pocketing. These 2 pockets in particular, I absolutely love. This one for more of a pen or a knife, kind of separated from your regular pocket. And then this zippered pocket leads into the back portion, so kind of the back of your thigh there, which is typically space that's kind of unused when you're thinking about your pant and usually falls a little bit baggy. So I love the integration of that for these pants. Last but not least, we have the Eliot from Tracksmith. The Eliot is a shoe that was designed by runners for runners, and it was designed with the intention of finding that feeling of running along a trail instead of pavement even when you're actually running on pavement. It is a lightweight, highly technical running shoe that is also a capable cross trainer while traveling. With an innovative multi-part sole system that uses Pebex as the basis for the system, on the exterior sole and in the midsole, the Eliot is a fantastically comfortable and light shoe to train in. All right, so who is the Eliot by Tracksmith for? It is going to be for those travelers who are looking for an ultra lightweight secondary shoe to bring with them as they are traveling. This is a fantastic running shoe just because, again, it was built for runners by runners. So if you are a runner, this is probably going to be a shoe that you're really interested in trying at the very least. But like I mentioned, for any of those travelers, people who want to train in the hotel room or go to the hotel gym or anything like that, these are a fantastically lightweight shoe that you can bring along with you and get to be pretty small for, again, a pretty capable cross trainer. Additionally, these are super lightweight, so if you're training at home or on the road, no matter what, because they are lightweight, they just end up being super comfortable and easy to train in. I actually use these almost every day here where I'm doing a little more cardio as the basis of the workout. A couple of strengths of the Eliot. First and foremost, that Pebex sole is truly innovative. Even if you are training inside, outside, hard surface, no matter what, it truly feels like you are on that kind of soft, slightly variable surface. So I would totally say they have achieved their goal of making it feel like you're running on a trail of some kind. Additionally, this is going to be for those runners who are just looking for a new running shoe and maybe haven't picked something up in a hot second. This might just be that perfectly innovative new type of shoe that gets you motivated to purchase something else. And lastly, on the strengths, the Eliot is super lightweight, which makes this ultimately a joy to train in, whether you're at home, on the road, running, or cross training. Thanks for watching another Carryology video. Don't forget to go vote. The link is down below in the description. While you're down there, don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified of future videos, and leave a comment. Let us know what you think of this year's travel clothing category and what other items of clothing we should be excited for this year. Thanks for watching. We'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.